Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mid-tempo. First, let's define what mid-tempo means. Generally, we're talking about music between 100 and 120 beats per minute. This range offers a versatile canvas for many genres. Begin by selecting a tempo that resonates with the feeling you want to convey. Then, lay down a solid rhythmic foundation, perhaps a simple kick and snare pattern to establish the groove. This initial step is crucial for building the entire track. Once your core tempo is set, it's time to build out the rhythmic dynamics. Introduce hi-hats, shakers, or other percussion elements to add texture and drive. Think about varying the velocity of your drum hits. This makes the rhythm feel more natural and less robotic. Experiment with syncopated patterns, where accents fall off the main beat to create a compelling and engaging groove. A well-developed rhythm section is the backbone of any great mid-tempo track. With your rhythm established, let's move to the melodic and harmonic elements. Craft a main melody that is both catchy and fits the overall vibe of your track. Next, select a chord progression that supports this melody, enhancing the emotional landscape you're building. A simple 4-chord progression can be incredibly effective. Finally, create a bass line that not only provides a strong low end, but also bridges the gap between your drums and your melodic ideas, adding crucial harmonic depth. Now let's bring it all together with arrangement and mixing. Structure your track with distinct sections, an intro, verses, choruses, and an outro. This provides a clear journey for the listener. Employ automation to create dynamic shifts in volume, panning, or effects, adding movement and excitement. Finally, a careful mix is paramount. Ensure every element has its own space, with clear highs, present mids, and a solid low end, creating a polished and professional sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.